Hello, 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 Stamping Friends. This is Caron Bailey, your ATX Stampin' Lady. I am an independent demonstrator with Stampin Up, and I am coming to you for a quick video today to share an upcoming event. October is one of it's the nearest and dearest month in a card maker's life because on the first Saturday of every month of October is the World Card Making Day. It's always the first Saturday in the month of October, and it's World Card Making Day. And Stampin' Up! Generally hosts a virtual online card making party for all of its demonstrators, all of our customers, anybody that wants to be a part of and participate in World Card Making Day can join. You have to register though. A registration is required to attend and participate in World Card Making Day with Stampin' Up. Well, I'm here to share with you what the kit looks like that we're going to be working from on October, I believe the 4th is Saturday, the first Saturday in the month. So the kit looks like this. It's called Handmade and Heartfelt is the kit, and with everything that Stampin' Up! Makes, there are instructions in the kit. There is 6 designs actually 5 designs and the box. So guys, you're gonna have a box. Excuse me, don't know where that came from. To create. So let me share with you what comes in the kit. As you can see, here's the box that you'll create to store your cards. Guys, you don't have to just use this card for that. If you are a card maker, you can store the cards that you make. This is a station, so you can do your finished cards, your envelopes, you can store your stamps in there. You can use it as a mailing station if you're going to mail out your bills. Again, keep your stamps, keep a pen. Totally usable after this is done. So let me share with you what comes in the kit, okay? You're going to have a stamp set. In the sentiments that's in the stamp sets, it says, "Hello, sunshine. Happy birthday. Thanks so much. Thinking of you. Wishing you the best." There's a to, and then there's a from. Okay. Now, if you speak other languages, this is also available in German, and I don't know what this language is. But it's also available in other languages. Now, this stamp set I keep in a separate, because I store them separately. I'm going to put a label on this in a little bit so that I know for reference where this came from. But I can always reuse these sentiments for later on making cards. So you'll also get in the kit box a little package of baker's twine. This looks like it's basic beige. You'll get an ink spot in the color Secret Sea. It's not focusing, I don't think, so let's take that out. I love ink spots. Ink spots are easy to travel with. You get an ink block with some gems. These are, what are those things called? Sequins. And a little package of glue dots that comes in it. You also have these little cute circles. Let's see, where are these circles used? Oh, this is to create one of the panels on the card. So you'll have all the supplies you need to make 5 cards. I'm sorry, 5 different designs. You'll have envelopes. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. I'm missing one. There should be 10. So there's 10 envelopes, or is that right? 2, 4, 6, 8. I have 9. I have 9 envelopes. Okay, I'm only telling you what I count. So let's see what this tells us. So I'm not lying. So this kit coordinates with Stampin' Up! Basic colors of Basic Beige, Crumb Cake, Lost Lagoon, Petal Pink, Secret Sea, and Very Vanilla. Those are the kits. You have everything that you'll need for 10 cards to to include 10 envelopes. So I'm missing an envelope somewhere, or I'm not counting right. It's here. It's all here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I told you. So that'll be 2 cards, 2 of each design. You also have a set of dimensionals, and then dimensionals card, and here's our card fronts. And you guys, now Stampin' Up will walk us through making, but I'm thinking that I might save like one of them and maybe do a couple of alternative designs for each. Okay, so if you want to participate in this class or in this event, oh, and then you have like our die cuts and our cutouts. But if you want to participate in this event, which is October 4th, it's in 2 weeks, I think. 2 weeks from a week from Saturday, so it's about 2 weeks. I would tell you that you have to get your order in today. Okay, Wednesday, the absolute latest. Why? Historically speaking, it takes about 7 days for items for shipment. Okay, so if you are wanting to participate in World Card Making Day, please, please, please get your order in no later than Wednesday of this week, which would be, what's today? Today's the 22nd, so it would be the 24th. So get your order in by the 24th to make sure that you have a chance of getting it to you on time for World Card Making Day. I am going to put all of the particulars in the description box, so you'll have that information. You'll have the link to where you can purchase this kit. And then once you register, because you have to register with Stampin' Up, you have to register. I am going to host a watch party. And the watch party is going to be for my customers who purchase this kit in my online store. So what I'm going to do is once you register and purchase the kit in my online store, I will send you an invitation link to Zoom. Okay, and we will get together live on that day. This is the box that we're going to create. And I'm not going to put anything together. I'm just going to wait until October 4th to put everything together. But with that Zoom link, we'll get together live on Zoom. I'm going to share the live video from Stampin' Up, and we're going to watch and create together. And then we're going to stay on together after Stampin' Up, after the World Card Making Day event is complete, and then we'll get together and create a couple of projects, alternatives with any of the supplies that's left in here. So it'll be a full day. I'm going to put all that information in the link for you, but I just wanted to share with you everything that you will get in this kit for World Card Making Day event on Saturday, October 4th. I hope to see you. I hope you register. And definitely if you register, I will see if you, when you purchase the kit in my online store, www.sweetsignatures.stampinup.net. I will see when you purchase it, so I will know when to who I should send that invitation link to. It is by invitation. If you've already purchased this kit, right? You have another demonstrator, or you've already purchased the kit, guys. If you still want to participate in the craft together event, it'll just be a $5 fee to join that, because this is going to be open to primarily my VIP customers, because it's a free event for them. But if you want to participate, you've already purchased the kit, and you want to sit in and create with people, not necessarily just do it on your own, it is going to be a $5 fee to participate in the craft together event. This is in addition to the cost of the kit. I believe the kit was $32. So then with the $5, if you did not purchase it from my website, it'll be additional $5 to sit in on that Zoom and create with the rest of us. Guys, I hope that helps. I hope you join us, and I look forward to seeing you on October 4th. Until then, happy stamping!